Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog agility tunnel that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the HDP Collapsible Agility Dog Training Tunnel. Made from durable Dacron fabric, the tunnel will hold up to whatever your dog can throw at it. It also includes a set of stakes sturdy enough to secure the tunnel to the ground during use, but short enough to avoid hurting your pet if they miss the tunnel. As well as this, the tunnel comes with its own convenient storage bag, so you can transport it easily, and pop it away when training is over with no fuss. Overall, this is an excellent, easy-to-use option for new and seasoned agility trainers alike. Moving on at number 4, we have the Trixie Pet Products Agility Basic Tunnel. If your pooch is new to the concept of agility or they need a little more practice before they move on to something more challenging, then the Trixie Basic is the perfect place to start. Designed for agility newbies of the four-legged kind, this beginner tunnel is both durable and easy to use. Made from structured nylon, this tunnel is super easy to set up and can be anchored to the ground using the supplied metal pegs for extra stability when needed. Large enough for medium-sized breeds, the tunnel runs for 7 feet 6, so a good place to start for pups who may be nervous or a little less agile. And it can take a lot of use, thanks to the durable and easy to wipe down and clean design. At number 3, we have the Paw Hut 4PC Obstacle Dog Agility Training Course Kit. The Cossi Home Dog Agility Tunnel is available in 3 sizes so that you can select the perfect fit for your pooch. This tunnel has been designed to be easily secured to the ground using the attached post tabs and included posts. The tabs can also be used to secure the tunnel to tiled or hardwood floor with the use of strong tape. It utilizes an easy pop-up design for quick and easy setup and even bends to form an L shape to add some variation to your dog's tunnel playtime. At number 2, we have the Juvail Dog Agility Play Tunnel. The strong anti-scratch durable material of the Juvail pack is just ideal to give your little pets the perfect surroundings to enjoy themselves while they stay fit and healthy. This pack of 1 pet agility play tunnel tube is a specially designed pet play tunnel for small pets such as puppies, cats, rabbits, and kittens. It enables these little animals to explore more adventure whilst having their ultimate fun all the way and stay healthy and strong, and is manufactured from tear-resistant tough and durable polyester fabric, supported by a steel frame, and so is very durable even for this purpose. And finally at number 1, we have the Cossi Home Collapsible Dog Tunnel. This isn't just an agility tunnel, it's the whole package. This Paw Hut Agility Kit provides you with everything you will need to start your pup out on their agility journey. The agility tunnel as well as the other fabric elements are all made using rip-resistant 190T polyester material. Meaning your dog can run, jump, crawl and hop to its heart's content without worry and causing damage to the equipment. All grounding stakes and rope are provided in order for you to secure your obstacle course to the ground and hold it in place whilst your pooch practices.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon